Hey everybody, Shawn.Mogenson here with Guaranty RV. I'm going to give you a quick run through on a 2005 Winnebago Journey 36. Come with me and we'll go take a peek. Okay, we'll start up here in the cockpit. We've got, this is on a Freightliner chassis, hydraulic leveling, 34,374 miles. The leather and everything in the front is in great condition. Behind the passenger seat, we do have this recliner that's still in good condition. Solid cabinetry all the way through. Nice sink, countertop, 3-burner stove. You've got a microwave, convection microwave, 4-door refrigerator, a nice table with 2 chairs here, a leather sofa that makes into a bed as well. You move into the bathroom, it's got a nice vanity, sink. You've got the neo-angle glass door shower with the bathroom over to the right as you walk back. In the back, you've got the full wardrobe slide with a queen-size bed. It does have a ceiling fan in the back. Air conditioning's ducted all the way through. I think you'll really enjoy having this. Hi everybody, here it is. I'm glad you got to take a good look at it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or text me. Shawn.Mogenson, Guaranty RV, 541-780-4981.